Dear student, how are you? Fine. We are in our fourth lecture of electrochemistry, unit number 3. First of all, જે લોકોએ પહેલા 3 લેક્ચર નથી જોયા એ જોઈ લેજો. પછી આ લેક્ચરમાં આવજો, બહુ મજા આવશે. You will enjoy. First, watch out my 3 videos of electrochemistry. Then come to the fourth lecture. In the last lecture we discussed about reduction potential, and we made a series table discussed 3.1 of our textbook. I am going to application of that reduction potential value. Yes, O2 gas 4H plus 4 electron gives 2H2O. This is reduction of oxygen, and potential of that is plus 1.23 volt, and reduction potential of the hydrogen is 0.0 V no standard hydrogen electrode. In the series of reduction potential, higher value having species of reduction potential, જેનો reduction potential high છે, સિરીઝમાં ઉપર હશે તેનો high હશે, નીચે હશે તેનો low હશે. It experiences reduction, એટલે આનું reduction થાય. In the series, lower value of reduction potential experiences oxidation. તો આનું નહીં, આમનું થાય. એટલે બે વેલ્યુઝ આપેલી હોય, સોરી, એમાંથી હાયર વેલ્યુ હોય ઉપરનું રિએક્શન, એમાં આ સાઈડના પોર્શનનું રિડક્શન થાય અને નીચેના રિએક્શનમાં આ સાઈડનું ઓક્સિડેશન થાય. ઓલવેઝ રિમેમ્બર. So reaction occurs. So how can we write redox reaction? Yes. First of all, oxidation and inverse करना पड़ेगा. So H2 gas gives 2H plus 2 electron. But here in the reduction it is same as it is O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron gives 2H2O liquid. Here 2 electrons, but here 4. So we have to balance number of electrons. Now the redox loosed and gained electrons should be same. So here we are multiplying by 2 to wall reaction. 4 cut, 4H plus cut. So actual redox reaction 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O liquid is our redox reaction. Understood? If value is given of the potential, then we can define redox reaction, and we can also define voltage by joining 2 electrodes. Here E degree cell standard. Reduction potential of the cathode minus reduction potential of the anode. Higher value should be cathode, lower value of reduction potential should be anode. So plus 1.23, another E degree. O2 is converting into H2O. Reduction potential for this H plus oblique H2 plus 1.23 minus 0. So it is 1.23 volt. H2 auto fuel cell in standard 10. So it gives in standard condition 1.23 volt. Clear? And this cell also comes in last part of the chapter. Now, copper metal, when we dissolve in hydrochloric acid, reaction occurs or not? Yes. Copper rod, copper metal, when we dissolve into hydrochloric acid, reaction occurs or not? So we have to take reduction potential of both. So reduction potential of copper is plus 0.34 volt. It is higher than hydrogen. Why? Reduction potential of hydrogen is 0. So which one comes in upper part? This one. So જે reaction upper part માં છે એમાં આ portion નું reduction અને આ portion નું oxidation થાય તો reaction થાય. But here Cu plus 2 comes, but here given is a copper. Here H plus is given, but hydrogen should be oxidized and copper should be, Cu plus 2 should be reduced. Cu plus 2 નું reduction થવું છે અને H2 નું oxidation તો reaction થાય. પણ અહીંયા H2 નહીં, H plus given છે. અહીંયા Cu નહીં, Cu plus 2 નહીં, Cu given છે. So this reaction, so when we dissolve copper metal into hydrochloric acid, reaction doesn't occur. Reaction is not possible. Yes, sir. When we dissolve zinc metal into hydrochloric acid, so reaction occurs or not? Listen, here reduction potential for H plus ion hydrogen is 0, 0. And reduction potential of zinc is minus 0.76. આ બેમાં હાયર વેલ્યુ કોની છે? હાઇડ્રોજનની. સો આ જે ઉપર હોય એમાં આ પાર્ટનો રિડક્શન, નીચે હોય એમાં આ પાર્ટનો ઓક્સિડેશન થાય. This is my trick, remember. બે રિએક્શન લખવાનું. રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ હાઈ હોય ઉપર લખવાનું, reduction potential low હોય તો નીચે લખવાનું. તો અપર પાર્ટ હોય એમાં આ પોર્શન એટલે કે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ હોય એક્સપિરિયન્સીસ રિડક્શન અને જે નીચેનું રિએક્શન હોય એમાં લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ હોય એનો ઓક્સિડેશન થાય. સો હિયર યુ કેન સી zinc easily oxidized, NH plus reduce, so reaction occurs. So Zn gives Zn plus 2 and 2H plus ion, H2 electron gives H2 gas. So to cut, so Zn plus 2H plus gives Zn plus 2, and here hydrogen gas will be bubbled out from the solution. When we dissolve zinc into HCl, hydrogen gas produces. Here chloride is a spectator ion. So 2 chloride combines gives ZnCl2. Reaction occurs. Now another. When we dissolve zinc metal into HNO3, so hydrogen gas is not liberated, not producing. Zinc rod is dipped into nitric acid. Here reason for that is nitrate ion plus 4H plus ion plus 3 electron gives NO plus 2H2. Here reduction potential of NO3 is 0.97. Reduction potential of hydrogen is 0, 0. Where reduction potential of zinc is minus 0.76. So lower value of reduction potential of zinc and higher of both H plus and nitrate. But here H plus and nitrate both experiences reduction. Reference to zinc. આના કરતા બેનો reduction potential થાય, બેનો reduction થાય, but આ બેમાં in comparison which one possesses more reduction potential? Nitrate. So H plus never reduces, only nitrate ion reduces. So here this one experiences reduction and this one experiences oxidation. So we can't get nitrogen gas, but it releases nitric oxide. So Zn gives Zn plus 2 and nitrate ion plus 4H plus 3 electron gives NO plus 2H2. But remember, during oxidation, number of loose electron, and during reduction, number of gained electrons should be same. So 3 and 2, 3 2 ja 6. This reaction multiply by 3. So here 6. This by 2. So 6, 2 and 4. 6 cut. So overall reaction 3Zn plus 2 nitrate 8H plus gives 3 Zn plus 2. This is our balanced redox reaction. Zinc nitric acid में नाखिए तो हाइड्रोजन गैस लाइब्रेट ना થાય, પણ HCl में नाखिए तो हाइड्रोजन गैस लाइब्रेट થાય, કારણ કે in HNO3 both are present, H plus and NO3 minus. So here NO3 minus no reducing behavior more than H plus. So nitrate reduces and zinc oxidized. હોય no oxidation, no reduction. એટલું યાદ રાખો. Now symbolic representation, yes, of the oxidation potential and reduction. Zinc plus 2 ion gains 2 electron, convert into zinc. So here symbolic representation, this one is reduction potential. Why? Plus 2 into 0. It is minus 0.76, but oxidation potential 0 to plus 2, plus 0.76. नेगेटिव हो तो पॉजिटिव થઈ જાય, पॉजिटिव हो तो नेगेटिव. Plus 2 into 0 means reduction, 0 into plus 2 means oxidation. But in the case of bromine, Br2 gains 2 electron to Br minus. So symbolic representation of reduction, Br2 oblique Br minus, 0 into minus 1 reduction. But oxidation, Br minus oblique Br2, minus 1 into 0, so oxidation number increase થાય. 0 into minus 1 reduction, oxidation number decrease થાય છે here. Now come to the point, our book Nernst equation. One of the most IMP question, Nernst equation. Describe Nernst equation. Nernst was a scientist. He had given formula for getting cell potential or half cell potential's value if our cell is not standard. What is standard cell? Whenever concentration of the cell, of the liquid, of the solution is 1 molarity, temperature 298 Kelvin, pressure 1 atmosphere, so it should be standard. But always it is not necessary the concentration remain 1 molarity. concentration of all the species involved in the electrode reaction is unity. The concentration of all the species involved in the electrode reaction is unity. Unity means one molarity. But this one is only for standard cell. This need not be always true. Yes, this need is not always true. None so that for the electrode reaction, none solved equation. So that for the electrode equation, એટલે નન સે શું કીધું કે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સેલ હોય તો મોલારિટી 1 હોય, but always our cell should be not electrode, 2 electrode, anode and cathode. When we join, so it is called a cell. So concentration is not need, always should be 1. So whenever our cell is not standard, so how can we derive potential of that? So equation given by Nernst. N plus ion gains n electron and gives metal solid. Clear? Now here plus n means Li plus gains 1 electron, gives Li solid, nothing else. Mg2 plus gains 2 electron, gives Mg solid. M is metal or element. Suppose Al plus 3 gains 3 electron, gives aluminum. This is reaction given. Now the electrode potential at any concentration measured with respect to hydrogen electrode can be represented by the electrode potential we can measure with reference to hydrogen electrode and representation of it. Now representation of this E m plus n oblique m is equal to E degree. M plus n oblique m. This equation is on the base of thermodynamic principle. Here, this equation given by Nernst with the help of thermodynamics and using concept of thermodynamics derived. Degree means a standard. Here, degree is not indicated, means a non-standard, means molarity is not 1. Here RT upon NF. Ln is linear. Here upper portion ma product and lower portion ma reactant. Product upon reactant. Here you can see M is a solid, but M plus N ion is the aqueous. Here we will use the concept of equilibrium. Whenever aqua and solid both are present in reaction, so M we have to take unity, but concentration of solid M is taking unity. Unity means 1. And we have our equation. Now like this equation like this: E m n plus oblique m e degree m n plus oblique m minus RT upon NF linear. Here unity means 1 upon m n plus IN. અમે aqueous ભેગું solid હોય તો solid ને આપણે constant લઈએ છીએ. We are taking constant value of it. This equation given by Nernst. E degree here, E degree m plus m oblique m is already derived. Yes, already been defined. Okay, series of reduction potential परથી. Yes, sir. Here R is a gas constant. Value we have to take in joule per Kelvin per mole. Why? For getting voltage of the potential, we have to take R's value in joule. T, temperature compulsory in Kelvin. N, number of electron which transferred. Suppose Li plus gains 1 electron, so N will be 1. In the case of Mg plus 2, it is 2. N is number of electron. F is Faraday constant. Exact value 96487 coulomb per mole. R's value when we take joule, so it should be compulsory in coulomb per mole, where square bracket here indicates concentration in molarity. M plus N means concentration in molarity of our ion. Understood? Now, in the Daniell cell, actually what happens in the Daniell cell? Yes, there are 2 electrodes, zinc and copper. In the Daniell cell, zinc and copper electrodes are present. So now first of all, for copper electrode, reduction potential Cu plus 2 gives Cu solid. So here symbolic representation of copper half shell, and which is non-standard. So Cu plus 2 oblique Cu equal to E degree Cu2 plus oblique Cu minus RT upon NF ln linear. Copper unity 1, product upon reactant, so Cu2 plus comes here. Now for zinc electrode, reduction potential Zn2 plus 2 electron gives Zn, so it will be E degree Zn2 plus oblique Zn, E degree standard reduction potential Zn2 plus oblique Zn minus RT upon NF ln. Here Zn solid is unity and upon product upon reactant. So 2 plus comes downward. Understood? Now the cell potential. We know formula of the cell potential. We know the formula for the cell potential. E cell is equal to formula for the cell potential. By combining two electrons, copper and zinc, E cell is equal to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Here degree is not taken. Why? We are deriving the cell potential of a non-standard cell. In the Daniell cell, zinc rod is dipped into zinc sulfate, which is anode, and copper rod into copper sulfate, which is the cathode. Anode with the cathode. So here put down the value of both in the equation. This. So E cell equal to E reduction potential of the copper minus of the cathode minus of the anode, reduction potential of subtraction. Put down value of this here, of this one here. So in place of Cu plus 2 oblique Cu, here E degree, Cu2 plus oblique Cu minus RT upon NF ln 1 upon Cu2 plus, then minus E degree Zn2 plus oblique Zn plus value here minus, a minus થાય ને એટલે plus minus, a minus say plus. So RT upon NF ln 1 upon Zn2 plus. Here E degree Cu plus 2 oblique Cu and E degree. Standard reduction potential of cathode minus standard reduction potential of anode gives the E degree cell, standard cell potential. From these two, we are taking common RT upon NF in both. Minus value comes a plus in the bracket, and plus value, whenever minus is common, so inside bracket minus value comes plus, and plus is a minus. So linear 1 upon Zn2 plus. Understood? So in place E cell is equal to E degree cell minus RT upon LF linear. Log A minus, so linear A minus linear B means linear A upon B. This is log of a logarithm. So linear 1 upon Cu2 plus upon 1 upon Zn2 plus. So upon moves upward. So RT upon NF ln Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus. Clear? By using this formula we can derive some. But standard potential we can derive from the table 3.1. E cell, whenever cell is non-standard, so we can derive some. Now one by one, it can be seen. Here n is equal to 2. Why? In the Daniell cell, zinc loses 2 electrons and Cu plus 2 ion gains 2 electrons. So transfer of electron is 2. So here it will be E cell is equal to E degree cell minus RT upon 2F ln. Here Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus. Understood? E cell depends upon concentration of the Cu plus 2 and E cell depends upon concentration of Zn2 plus and Cu2 plus ions. E cell is depending upon concentration of Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 ion. It increases. Yes. Now, most IMP question. Here, when we increase the concentration of Cu plus 2 and decreasing value of Zn plus 2, our cell potential increases. How? I am giving you example. Suppose the concentration of Zn plus 2 is 0.1. Here is 1. So 1 upon 10. So linear 1 minus log 10. So which is 0 minus 1. So answer minus 1 comes. So minus n minus plus. Suppose આ 1.10 હોય એમાં એડ થાય તો 2.10 થઈ જાય તો increase થઈ જાય. But whenever value of concentration of zinc is higher and of the copper is lower, so here 1, so value of log linear 1 is 0, so we get only 1.10. Suppose it is 2, so value of linear 2 is minus 0.3010, so 0.30 plus 0.30 log 2 ની value, so આમાંથી subtract થાય 0.30, so voltage will be decreases. એટલે અહીંયા upper part ની concentration decrease કરવાથી અને lower part ની concentration high હોય તો cell potential will be more. I am giving you example for that. If 3 cell is given, E1, suppose voltage of it is E1, E2 and E3. Zinc rod is dipped into zinc sulfate. Salt bridge. Here molarity is 1. And copper rod is dipped into copper sulfate. Otherwise Cu plus 2. Here also Zn plus 2. So what? Here also 1. In another case, concentration of zinc is suppose 0.1 and concentration of Cu plus 2 is suppose 1. Here concentration of Zn plus 2 is suppose 1 and concentration of Cu plus 2 is 0.1. So what happens actually? Yes, you can see here molarity 1 upon 1, so it will be cut 0. So for Daniell cell, E cell will be plus 1.10 volt. Understood? Here this one is 0.1 upon 1. So 0.1 upon 1 means 1 upon 10. So this value comes minus 1. So minus plus. So E cell will be more than 1.10 volt. Here Zn plus 2 is 1, this one is 0.1. So upper part 10 upon 1. So log 10 value 1. So it will be subtract from here. So getted value of E cell is less than 1.10 volt. Anode, cathode. This one is anode, this one is cathode. Concentration of anode is low and concentration of the cathode whenever high. So voltage should be any concentration less, any high, this cell will be high. So compare which one having higher voltage, E3, then E1 and E3. This type of question asked in exam. Understood? Now we are converting the natural logarithm. We are going to convert our natural logarithm. Yes, E cell equal to E degree cell minus RT upon 2F 2.303 log Zn plus 2 upon Co plus 2. So here E cell is equal to E degree cell 2.303 RT upon F is constant. 2.303 RT upon F is constant at 25 degrees Celsius. So 2.303, 8.314, temperature 298 and 96487 coulomb. So 0.0592 is a constant value at 25 degree. 298. So for the convenience of calculation, we will use this 0.059 upon 2 log concentration of Zn plus 2 upon Cu plus 2. E cell we can form from the table standard. So and concentration of anode and cathode whenever given, so we can define the non-standard cell potential. Now we should use the same number of electrons for both the electrode. We should use the same number of electrons in both electrodes. Yes, that is the rule for redox reaction. I am giving an example. Suppose nickel electrode is the anode and electrode of silver is our cathode. Yes, this one is anode and I am looking Ni oblique Ni plus 2, Ag oblique Ag plus. This is a symbolic representation of a cell. So cell reaction will be here. Which one experiences oxidation? Nickel. Obviously, anode experiences oxidation. So Ni converting to Ni plus 2 gives 2 electrons. Which one experiences now reduction? Cathode. So Ag plus ion gains 1 electron converting to Ag. So you can see lost electron are 2 but gain is 1. So reduction reaction we have to multiply by 2. So it will be cut. So Ni solid plus 2 Ag plus gives Ni2 plus 2 plus or plus 2 both the same and 2 Ag solid. So here N will be 2 for both electrode, anode or cathode. Number of electrons should be same for the putting value in the Nernst equation. So Nernst equation for this reaction will be E cell E degree cell minus 0.0592 upon n now 2 log પાર્ટમાં કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઓફ ધી નિકલ એટલે પ્રોડક્ટ આ સોલિડ છે લઈ લો એકવા લેવા પ્રોડક્ટ upon reactant. So Ag plus square of Ag plus y square Ag plus 2 times. Solid છે unity 1 level. Solid 1 level. Aqueous level. A product upon reactant. So actually you can see in the upper part is the concentration of product. In lower part concentration of the reactant. Now from symbolic representation we can say from the cell reaction we can say product upon reactant, but from the symbolic representative cell concentration of anode upon concentration of cathode. So concentration of anode behaves like a product, concentration of cathode behaves like a reactant. Understood? Now, universal example. We take a universal example. AA plus BB gives CC and DD. So here our next equation will be E cell equal to E degree cell RT upon NF ln C raised to C D raised to D upon A raised to A and B raised to B. Understood? And now this is our equilibrium. So ln Q. We can write as a ln Q. Quotient, the concentration of the product upon concentration of the reactant gives equilibrium constant. We can define with help of E cell our equilibrium constant also. Now last point of the day, represent the cell. Yes, question. Example 3.1. Example 3.1. Represent the cell represent the cell in which the following reaction take place. Reaction is Mg solid plus 2 Ag plus 0.001 molarity, 0001 molarity, sorry, and gives Mg plus 2 having 0.13 molarity and plus 2 Ag. E degree cell is given 3.17. So calculate the E cell. E degree cell of the reaction is plus 3.17 given. Here magnesium experiences oxidation, silver experiences reduction. So symbolic representation Mg solid oblique Mg2 plus 0.13 molarity salt bridge and Ag. I just start Ag oblique Ag is Ag plus 0.0001. Here Nernst equation E cell equal to E degree cell minus 0.059 upon 2. Why 2? One magnesium atom loses 2 electrons. So 2Ag plus ion gains 2. So n is equal to 2 log. In the upper part, concentration of Mg plus 2. In the lower part, concentration of Ag plus 2 times 2 moles square. E degree cell is given 3.17. 0.059 divided by 2, so 0.0296 log. Concentration of Mg plus 2, 0.13, and concentration 0.0001 square. So here 3.17, 0.0296 log. Here 0.13, 10 raised to minus 4 naught square. So plus 3.17 minus 0.0296 log 0.13 minus log 10 raised to minus 8. Yes. Log 0.13 minus log 10 raised to minus 8. Now, value of 0.13. Logarithm value of 0.13. How can we define the value? Minus 0.886 minus 0.886. Here minus minus plus 8 minus 0.886. 8 minus 0.8860. 7114. 7114. And multiplication of it round about 0.21. So near about 2.96 volt it gives. You can see our actual standard cell potential is 3.17. Okay, but here concentration of anode is high and cathode is low. Upper part ની concentration high છે, lower part ની less છે. So yes, value will be decreases than standard potential. એના કરતા decrease થાય 2.96. I hope you enjoyed. Do practice. We will meet in our next lecture. Bye.